Amity News. My name is Leila and this is my co-host.
Hello, my name is Ayub and I'm now going to cross to our live reporters.
Hello, my name is Wadha and today I'm going to talk about cats. Cats are my favorite animals and they are very playful but sometimes they are really sleepy. I like cats because they're fluffy and they're really cute.
That was an interesting report.
Now let's cross to the weather.
Oh, we have some wonderful weather here and also over here. Oh, so we have some storms over here, but there's really beautiful wind here.
Well, that weather was good.
Let's get another news report.
Oh hi, my name is Abe and I'm going to be talking about schools. Schools are for kids that are under 16 years old and they go to school so they can be smart and they can learn to be educated when they're older. When you're older, you go to college and you learn to have a job and how to have a more responsible life when you're an adult. And yeah, so you should go to school. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to Amity News with Emily and my co-host.
Hello, my name is Neil. Let's see what the reporters have to say for today.
Thank you, Zoe. Hello, my name is Grace Hunter and today I'm going to be talking about the coronavirus. The coronavirus is a global pandemic which is happening right now in 2020. It means that you need to wear your masks and you need to stay 2 meters apart. And if you want to hug each other, no, you can't do that. You can only hug each other that are in the same household as you or that are in your family. If you do try to hug, please wear your mask and put lots of sanitizer on. Thank you for listening.
Gee, that was interesting. Let's cross over to the weather.
We got some nice warm weather here and not much down here. We got some wind there and going down that direction.
Hello there, my name is Jaden Cornick and today we're going to be talking about leafcutter ants. Leafcutter ants are an exotic animal and they live in forest and rainforest, 2 different forests. They are found cutting leaves as they clean the forest for fungi. They remove the fungi from the forest and clean off anything like food or anything from the ground. They clean these materials and compost them to make trees grow quicker and to slow down the vegetation from overgrowth.
Wow, that was really good. Now let's cross to our next reporter.
Thank you, Ella. Hi, my name is Bartos, and I'm going to be talking about football. It's a really fun game. All it uses is a couple of players and a ball. There are 4 different ways you can play. You could be a midfielder, attacker, defender, and a goalkeeper. It's really fun to play, so maybe have a try.